In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Meet to Calendly step by step, so your meetings can automatically generate a Google Meet link every time someone books with you. This is a super useful setup if you want to save time, look more professional, and make scheduling a lot smoother for your clients, leads, or team members. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see several menu options there, and the one you need is Integrations and Apps. Click that to open your integration settings. Now you're going to find Google Meet in the list of available apps. Calendly supports a lot of different integrations, so if you don't see it right away, use the search or scroll until you find Google Meet. When you locate it, click Connect. This starts the process of linking your Google account to Calendly. Next, Calendly will ask you to sign into your Google account. Make sure you choose the Google account you want associated with your Calendly meetings, especially if you have multiple accounts. After signing in, Google will show a permission screen asking you to allow Calendly access to your account. This step is important because Calendly needs permission to create and manage Google Meet links for your events. Review the permissions, then click Allow to continue. Once your Google account is connected, the next step is to assign Google Meet to your actual event type. To do that, go back inside Calendly and click Event Types. This is where all of your scheduling pages are listed. Select the event type you want to edit, such as a 15-minute meeting, discovery call, consultation, or any custom event you've created. After opening the event type, look for the Location section. This controls how and where your meeting will take place. Click Edit next to Location. A list of meeting options should appear, and from there, choose Google Meet as the meeting location. This tells Calendly to automatically generate a Google Meet link when someone books that event. Before you finish, double check that everything looks correct. Make sure Google Meet is selected and that your event type is saved properly. Then click Save and Close to apply the changes. Once that's done, your Calendly event is now connected to Google Meet, and future bookings will automatically include a meeting link. If you want to test it, you can open your scheduling link in a private browser window and book a test meeting to confirm that the Google Meet link appears as expected. That's always a smart final check, especially if this is a client-facing booking page, and that's it. You've successfully connected Google Meet to Calendly. From now on, your bookings can be more automated, more professional, and much easier to manage. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.